Hello friend, this is ambient light for Volkswagen Golf 6. The ambient light will cover the dashboard, as you see, and the footwell, and the door, handles, and the speaker, and the storage box, and the gear. Now we open the app and can connect to this device. Check the color page, color control. Okay, first of all we start with the single color. We need to get the single scene and RGB. Let's change it to red. Let's change the color to yellow. Blue. Purple. Change. Okay, next we go to some mode adjustment illusion. This can show many colors at one time, and each mode you can adjust different effects. Totally 6. Each effect will have different colors, and we also can control the brightness of this. For example, this is the dashboard, and this is for the door brightness control with footwell and storage box and the gear. Red. Next trimmer. Closing. Next optical. Okay, this is this type of the lighting. Next, the peeled up. This is very cool function effects. And the rhythm. This is a rhythm mode. Rhythm mode means when you play music in the car, you follow for the rhythm. Like for now, I'm hitting the car here. See the lights. And we also have welcome mode setting. Click setting here. This is welcome mode. The switch on and you can color the color. Okay, now the purple off and on.